Hello, this is Layla Harris. Today I want to show you how to assemble the rotating carousel from Close to My Heart. Before starting this video, I unwrapped each piece and laid it out. You will have 4 shelves, a divided shelf, 2 pieces for the center, a top and a bottom, and a Lazy Susan piece that spins with ball bearings. First, we're going to take the piece that spins. This is the bottommost piece that allows the organizer to rotate. Place it so that the ball bearings are facing upward. The bottom tray is solid, unlike the top one that has the holes. Take the tray and face it down, and then set the spinning mechanism with the ball bearings pointed down. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver for this bit, and this is going to be your hardest part of the entire assembly. Open the package with the screw, place the washer on top of the carousel part, and then screw it in. After I got the screw started, I did pick up the whole assembly and hold it in my hands because I noticed it was starting to flex and I didn't want it to crack. It does take a little bit of pressure to get that screw put in. Now we're done with the bottom. No more tools are required after this step. You have 2 rectangular pieces. They're pretty much identical, but what we want to do is we want to turn one so the slot is at the bottom and the other one at the top so that we can slot them together. Now we're going to drop them into the bottom of the tray where the 4 holes are at. Now we're going to do the same thing with the top. Now you can place the top tray. Now we are going to clip everything together with the little rubber bands that were provided. These bands are thick and stretchy and were very easy to put on. Getting them out of the bag, however, was more challenging. You're going to place them around each peg that goes through a slot. There's 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. These bands are thick and really easy to pull over top of each peg. Here is a close-up of the peg and the rubber band firmly seated on top of it. I went ahead and placed all 4 bands on the top tray, and then I flipped this unit over and repeated the process on the lower. The original video I created for this was only 6 minutes long, so as you can see, it doesn't take much time at all to put this together. After securing the top and bottom bands, I flipped the unit over and started on the shelves. The hole in the top tray is for extra tall tools. That quadrant has 3 holes, and that is why one of the trays has 3 dividers in it. We're going to want to place that tray underneath that quadrant of the top tray. For the record, I had to go back and reshoot this video because the first time I did it, I had put this section in the wrong spot. With the corner of the tray facing away from you, here's a close-up of the tray. You'll see that one side has an arm and the other side has the nubs that you're already familiar with. You will insert the arm and then push it closer to the center of the organizer. That will allow the nub to push through. You can see here how the organizers fit together with the tall tool section, allowing you to have little stops at the bottom so things don't jumble up. After inserting the shelf, go ahead and use 2 rubber bands to secure the nubs. The arm side is self-locking, so you only need to secure the nub part. Repeat this for the other 4 shelves. One of the sections of the organizer will have 2 shelves because there's 5 total. Don't think too hard about placement of your shelves. You probably will reorganize as you fill up your carousel. Here's a couple photos of my organizer after I filled it up. You can see I added a cup to hold pens and